Hello everyone, welcome to this 20th video on Excel. In this video, we'll explore yet another useful formula offset. So let's start. You can see on my screen on the left side, there is a data set where we have monthly backup of revenues by each of these product A, B, C, D, E. So for January, for product A, the revenue is 39131. Similarly, for product E in January, it is 19990. And the total revenue is formulated here. So you see, this is the sum of all these values. So for January, the total revenue is 196449. Similarly, for February, we have 162289, and we have the numbers till May. Okay, for 5 months. Now, to create a summary table like this, where we just want the revenue for each of these months, we can just refer to the values present in this cell. So for January, we refer to this cell. For February, we refer to this cell. So this way also we can create a summary table. Okay, for March, we refer to this cell. For April, we refer to this cell, like that. Now I want to actually write a formula so that I can just drag it down and all these cells are populated automatically. So to do that, we can use offset formula, and to achieve that, I've just added a column here, serial number. And to use that offset formula, let's observe the pattern here. So you can see that if we start from here, for and if this row is 0, okay, then the values for January is present here, which is 5 row below. For February, it is present here, which is 10 rows below. For March, it is present here, which is 15 rows below. So that's why the serial number comes into picture, because if you multiply 5 by 1, we get 5, 5 by 2, we get 10, 5 by 3, we get 15. So we can use the offset formula here. So I'll start offset. Now let's use this as a reference cell. Okay, A1. And then the second argument is number of rows. So we know that for January we want to go 5 rows below. So what I'll do is that I'll write 5 multiplied by this. Okay, and now how many columns? So this column A is 0 and B, C, D. So we have to move 3 columns to the right. So once we do this and enter, you see, I'm getting the value here. So this is how the formula works. From this reference cell A1, we are going 5 rows below and 3 columns to the right, and we are reaching this cell. And when I drag this formula below, we get all the required values, because here now we are moving 10 rows below, because this 5 gets multiplied by 2. Here we are moving 15 rows below. Here we are moving 20 rows below. Here we are moving 25 rows below. So even if you add more months and values here, you just need to populate it here and add the serial number and drag the formula, and you will get the results. You don't need to refer to those individual cells. So this is just one example to see how we can actually use offset function. But yes, it can be used in multiple scenarios. So do try this formula. You can share your use cases as well. So I hope you like this video. Do subscribe my channel. See you in the next video. Thank you.